something you couldn't let in. But lately something changed in you. There's a different light in the things you do, like peace. Finally found your name and stayed longer than the pain. You don't rush, you don't hide, you let the moment take its time. Every step, every move feels brand new. Love looks good on you, like sunshine after rain, like a smile that finally tells the truth without explaining the pain. Love looks good on you, everywhere you move. If happiness had a face, I swear it would look like you. Oh yeah. You don't pretend, you don't pose, you let your real self show. No chasing shadows in the dark, you let the light find your heart. You laugh easy, you breathe slow, like you finally learned to let go. Every room you walk into feels warmer just because of you. You don't force what's meant to be, you trust love when it feels free. And watching you bloom this way makes me stay. Love looks good on you, like the ocean meets the shore, like a song you don't skip through, because it makes you want more. Love looks good on you, no matter what you do. If joy ever needed proof, it would point straight to you. Maybe love ain't meant to hurt, maybe healing comes first. Maybe joy don't have to shout when it finally figures you out. If loving you feels this light, I don't mind staying a while. Every day I see it clearer, you shine brighter. Oh, love looks good on you, like morning after night, like a heart that finally knew it deserved this kind of life. Love looks good on you, and it feels good on me too. If love ever chose of you, it would look like you. So don't dim what finally grew, let the world see the truth. Love looks good, love looks good on you.